All right, YouTubers. Today, we're going to be going over a little food and a beverage in one. We're going to be doing beer and a spear. Now, this recipe comes from the natives of the Busch Mountains back in the early 1900s, maybe late 1800s, I don't know. But you're going to need some cold glasses if you got them. If you don't, just get regular glasses. It's all good. It's all good, baby. Pour the Busch Light. You can use a can at home if you got it, A little foamy, just the first one. It's okay. Beautiful. We got two, one for me, one for my man Mike behind the camera. So 2 crisp Busch Lights, right? 2 nice dill pickle spears. And here's the magic. You take it, boom, baby. You got a beer and a spear. Take a little sip. Take a damn good bite. Put her back in there, and that's it. Now, the natives of the Busch Mountain, they came up with this recipe because Busch Light's great by itself, but they wanted to add a little electrolytes in it, plus they were a little hungry. They're like, shit, we can put a freaking pickle spear in it, in our beer, have a little snack, little electrolytes, and a tasty beverage. 3 dudes, food and beverage, baby. Boom. It's good. But